Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are time traveling a bit into the future to talk about something super exciting. How to get your YouTube channel monetized in 2026, specifically by leveraging the power of AI. The game is changing fast, and if you want to stay ahead, you need to know what's coming. So let's dive right in. First off, let's get one thing straight. By 2026, AI won't be just a cool tool. It'll be an essential partner for every successful creator. The core requirements for monetization, like subscriber counts and watch hours, probably won't disappear, but how you reach them will be completely transformed. Forget spending hours trying to come up with the perfect video idea. Future AI will analyze real-time trends, your channel's specific niche, and even your audience's emotional responses to predict viral topics with incredible accuracy. Imagine having a brainstorming partner that knows what your audience wants to watch before they do. That's the power we're talking about. Next, let's talk about content creation itself. Script writing will be a breeze. You'll simply feed an AI your topic and key points, and it'll generate a natural, engaging, and perfectly structured script in seconds. But it doesn't stop there. Think about video editing. The tedious process of cutting clips, adding B-roll, and syncing audio will be almost entirely automated. AI will be able to analyze your raw footage, select the best takes, and assemble a polished video that matches your unique style. It will even generate custom music and sound effects tailored to the mood of your video. This means you can produce higher quality content way faster, freeing you up to focus on the creative vision. And what about the visuals? This is where things get really wild. By 2026, generating stunning visuals with AI will be commonplace. Need a shot of a dragon flying over New York City? Or a hyper-realistic animation explaining a complex scientific concept? You'll just describe it, and the AI will create it for you. This opens up a world of possibilities for creators who don't have a Hollywood budget. Your imagination will truly be the only limit. Even creating your own custom avatar or digital twin for faceless channels will be simple, with AI handling the animation and lip-syncing perfectly. Now let's touch on thumbnails and titles. We all know how crucial these are for getting clicks. In 2026, A/B testing will be on steroids. AI will generate dozens of title and thumbnail variations for each video and automatically test them on small segments of your audience. Within minutes of publishing, it will identify the winning combination and apply it to maximize your click-through rate. Finally, let's consider audience engagement and channel management. AI will help you understand your analytics on a much deeper level, providing actionable insights on what's working and what isn't. It will draft personalized replies to comments, manage your community, and even suggest collaborations with other creators. It will also be your shield against copyright claims by pre-scanning your content before you even upload it. This holistic approach means you can run your channel more efficiently and build a stronger, more engaged community. So, what does this all mean for you? It means the barrier to entry for creating professional, high-quality content will be lower than ever. The creators who will thrive in 2026 are the ones who learn to master these AI tools. It's not about letting AI replace your creativity. It's about using it to amplify it. Start learning now. Experiment with the AI tools available today, because the future is coming faster than you think. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this look into the future helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you grow your channel. I'll see you in the next one.